We talked about prepaid meter pairing last time, and I noticed we actually have two brands under KIGG, Kigg meters, and it's actually difficult to verify which one uses this pairing code or this pairing code. But for us to balance up this process, I need to bring these two meters side by side for you. Consider this as meter A and consider this as meter B. This meter, look at it closely. If this actually looks like the meter in your facility, look at A. If it looks like the meter in your facility, your pairing code is the code underneath. And look at the B. If your meter looks like the one in option B, then use this pairing code to pair. So the only thing you do is once you enter the provided pairing code, if it gives you succeed, you are done. Just go ahead and impute your meter number and send it, and you have UIU good. That shows you that your pairing matter is sorted. But if your meter is not like this ones, you actually have to ask us question in the comment section. So look at what meter brand you're having issues with and help you out on how to resolve that. I don't think meter should be giving you issue when you have a platform like mine that is aimed at resolving your PPM matters. Thank you very much. I'll be coming back to you shortly on other urgent matters as it concerns PPM.